Good afternoon, Professor Jiang Lei, host Professor Alex Jin, colleagues and friends, and fellow students. I'm Jian Lu, CTU's Vice President of Research and Technology and the facilitator for today's lecture. Welcome all of you to the first CTU Distinguished Lecture 2017. With you all I wish you all have a Happy New Year. Today, we are honored to have Professor Jiang to be our first speaker in 2017. Okay. Actually, in Chinese, Jiang Lei. Okay. One day I saw the introduction to Professor Jiang Lei. You all know him. Okay. But I think that we should introduce him as 滚滚长江如雷贯。Okay? but I think it's not appropriate because I prefer another river is Nujiang. Okay?
My name is Thunder River.
Thunder River. But Nujiang is more close to Thunder River. Okay? So if you have chance to go to Yunnan province, right? Yeah, Thunder River is Nujiang. Yangtze River. Okay? So Professor Jiang is the professor of the Technical Institute of Physics and Chemistry from the Chinese Academy of Sciences. He received his bachelor's degree in solid-state physics and master's degree in physical chemistry from Jilin University. He then further his studies in the University of Tokyo as a China-Japan joint course PhD student. In 1999, Professor Jiang joined the Chinese Academy of Sciences Institute of Chemistry. In 2015, he moved to the Technical Institute of Physics and Chemistry of Chinese Academy of Sciences. Since 2008, he served as the Dean of School of Chemistry and Environment in Beijing University. Professor Jiang was elected as member of the Chinese Academy of Sciences, the World Academy of Sciences, and as a foreign member of the U.S. National Academy of Engineering. He has published over 500 papers, to name a few, including Nature Science, Nature Nanotechnology, Nature Material, Nature Communication, and Science Advance. Today, Professor Jiang will give a lecture titled Smart Interfacial Material from Superwettability to Binary Cooperative Complementary Systems. May I now invite Professor Jiang to give this lecture.
Thank you so much for the introduction. As introduced, I will give talk and title by this. So recently, Zhang Xi and I always use this slide to start our lecture and to encourage Chinese young scientists. This slide is say about Vice President Biden, United States. So he gave speech in 2014, May 28, in the Air Force Academy graduation ceremony. So he said that it is true, it's in China graduating 6 and 8 times many scientists and engineers, so as the United States. And he asked a challenge. So any innovative project and change and product, this come from China. Yeah? We must answer the question, the young scientist. And today I will answer his question for one of example. So if you want to answer his question, you should not learn from others. You should learn from nature. Okay? This is the only way. Okay? So we should thank Vice President Biden. Okay? See, he encouraged us to do something new. Learning from nature is 2,000 years ago, Lao Tzu said. And where's Janus, Da Vinci also say something, nothing can be found in nature that is not a science. So it means you can find many things in nature and also in the daily life. Okay, so candidacy, again, 2,000 years ago, how to learn from nature. And he told us, okay, seek the law from just the facts. 实事求是. Okay, and Chairman Mao also, how to do it? He divided three stages, okay, 3 levels to learning from nature. The first level is discovery, and then invention and creation. Okay, and then see it's Chinese. You can read, understand more clear. Okay, what is discovery? Discovery is something. Okay, you find the scientific problem from nature. Okay, like take a photo, draw a picture, like take a photo, do exactly what nature did. Find the principle. Like you find the flying, the principle of flying. So after that, so Chinese way, simplify it. Still follow the principle. Okay, simplify. Okay, make invention. So like okay, airplane, invention for airplane. So after that, created something new based on this invention. Okay, like Picasso gave you a story, not only a picture, a story of Spanish Martelli bombing night. Okay, a crazy nervous okay situation, like this, a jet plane. So I gave a talk in Harvard University, and then Dr. Ali from University, professor of Harvard University, he visited us back to China. And in his presentation, he gave me another slide. He said, so there one guy who is named Ring, is much higher level than Picasso. So his level is that he looked at the egg and joined bird. And he mentioned that in the biomimetic field, that guy is you. Okay, so I'm much higher. I'm not looking at the egg. Okay. Okay. Another thing, important thing for Chinese is that. So this is the year I went back to China, 1998. That year I read a lecture, a report on science, okay, which was written by the British Brazil physics, okay, whose George Goldenberg. He mentioned what is the role of science in developing countries, and he said the three models. Four models so developed country did. Okay, they are isolated. Okay, but for C model, Japanese style, it's always overlap pure research and product and technology. Okay, which should developing country should do. Okay, and I follow this idea. Okay.